Welcome to this guide on using the Shared with Me feature in Google Drive. This section of Drive is designed to make collaboration simple and effective. Whenever someone shares a file or folder with you, it appears here, giving you an easy way to stay connected with group projects and shared resources. It's a powerful tool for teamwork and file organization. To get started, open your browser and head over to drive.google.com. Sign in with your Google account, and you'll arrive at your Drive homepage. On the left-hand panel, you'll see an option called Shared with Me. Click it, and you'll instantly find all the files and folders others have shared with you. At the top of this section, you can also sort your files by date or by owner, which makes locating a specific document much faster. Once you've opened the Shared with Me section, interacting with files is easy. Clicking on a shared file allows you to open it right away. And if you've been given permission, you can even edit it directly in Google Drive. Shared folders work the same way. Click to view everything inside, making navigation through multiple files straightforward. If there are certain items you use often, you can right-click and choose Add Shortcut to Drive. This lets you place a shortcut wherever you like, perhaps in a personal folder you've created for better organization. That way, your most important shared files are always within reach. Before we wrap up, there's one important best practice to keep in mind. Always respect the permissions set by the file owner. Only make edits when you're allowed to, and communicate openly with collaborators to keep your shared workspace running smoothly.